Hi guys, how are you? Ciao ragazzi, come state? Spero bene, I hope fine, I hope you are okay. Okay, today is my fifth Italian online course. This is for you, for beginners. And I'm going to explain to you the feminine definite article. The last time I explained to you the masculine definite articles, il, singular, lo, plural. In Italian, we have the feminine article that is la, singular, le, plural. Remember that it's not like English language, because in English we have the as article and that's all. The, it's a singular, plural, masculine and feminine, the. In Italian we have more than one article, okay? Il, lo, la, l, apostrofe, okay? I, gli, le, l, apostrophe. Okay, today I'm going to explain to you la and le. This is very simple, very simple. It's easy. It's the easiest because we use la and le with words starting by a consonant. Simple. For example, mela, apple, in Italian, in English, in Italian, mela, in English, apple. In Italian is feminine, mela. So we say la mela, one apple. La mela, singular. Plural, le mele, 2 or 3 or 4 apples. Le mele. La mela, le mele. Matita, pencil. Matita in Italian is feminine. So the pencil, we say in Italian la matita, singular. Le matite, plural. La matita, le matite. The pencil, the pencils. La penna, the pen. La penna, the pen in Italian is feminine. La penna. Le penne. La penna, singular. Le penne, plural. If you haven't seen maybe the first or the second lesson, I don't remember, on noun and adjectives, where I explained the feminine, the masculine and the feminine of the words, please do it, because if you do that, it's simpler for you to understand the article, okay? More, we have, for example, la sedia, the chair, where I'm sitting now. La sedia, the chair, singular. La sedia, plural, le sedie. See? Mela, apple. I said mela, apple. Then I said matita, pencil. Penna, pen. Sedia, chair, are words that start with a consonant. Mela, M. Penna, P. Matita, M. Sedia, S. So, every word starting, feminine words starting by a consonant, wants the article la in singular form and le in plural form. See? Very simple and very easy. Okay? Watch the video on il law, masculine definite articles, il law. Next time I will explain to you L and apostrophe as articles, okay? Thank you very much for your attention. Hope to see you again. Spero di rivedervi presto. Ciao a tutti, arrivederci a presto. Ciao ragazzi, ciao.